Hi everybody, look who is back with another Amazon haul. I'm really very excited about this haul because I have got a lot of useful yet interesting things. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Shubhanke. So if you're interested for a kick-ass Amazon haul, let's get started with the video. And also if you see my face for the first time, please click on the red subscribe button and the bell right next to it so that you guys get notified whenever I come with a new video. And also, by the way, before starting with the haul, I would like to give you guys a disclaimer that there will be a lot of stuffs in this haul and I did not buy all these stuffs at one go. I did collect all these things in the course of 2 months, and my point is being that I didn't spend money so much at one go, so you guys don't get such a feeling. And also, since I have these products or things for a really long time, I have used them and I would give you guys also some reviews to all these things. So this will be a haul plus review kind of video, and I think it will help you guys more. So let's start with the product that I have featured almost in 2 to 3 videos, and so it's going to be up to you guys. If you guys watch my video, you will be recognizing this product. So this is basically Khadi's aloe vera gel. It's a green aloe vera gel and this is very inexpensive. So this is the product I did really use a lot of times, so I'm going to able to give you guys proper review to this product. So what happens is this is really soothing to my skin. My skin didn't at all react to it, I mean in a negative way, but this really does soothe my skin. I use it for shaving as well as after intense, sometimes scrubbing or exfoliating. I do use this product to calm my pores and everything, so it's really handy. And I have used this on my mother as well and it worked out beautifully. But however, one complaint I have with this product is that whenever I apply this product on my face, my eyes starts watering. I don't know why. I feel like I am cutting onions, but then it just goes away eventually. Although I'm using this product still now and I do want to keep using this product, but will I buy this product again? I think I'll go for another option just to try it out, and this is not a must have. Now going to the second product. This is from a brand. First of all, let me tell you guys, I was running out of toner, and you guys know I use rose water as toner because I don't want to be very fancy with my toners, and I also want to be really budget friendly when it comes to toners. And I feel there's nothing much to it, it just balances your pH. I use plain basic rose water toner, and also I love the cucumber biotic toner. That's my holy grail, and I don't have it right now because I ran out of it, and then I thought I just needed some break and I just got bored with it. I needed new options. Then I thought, let me just try out Biotic's another toner, which is this one. This is their Bio Honey Water Toner, and I felt like honey works beautifully with dry skin. So I thought, let me just try out with this one, and now I have used this for really 1 month. And if I had to pick between this one and the cucumber one, I would obviously pick the cucumber one. I do not know why. I'm really disappointed with this toner. This just doesn't do anything. Honey has to be a little moisturizing, but even you can see I have used this much, and I think I should stop using this because I don't see any difference. And also, by the way, a quick note I would like to update you guys that I'm thinking on is that recently, since I'm getting really ingredient conscious about different skincare products that I put on my face, layer on my face, and I have been learning recently so much that it's kind of eye-opening for me, and I feel I would like to invest in brands and products that comes up with really good ingredients and not just buy something that is cheap. And I feel I have done that in the past, but this is not the time right now. I have kind of shifted mentally and I am searching for really good ingredient products. It's kind of just a thought, and I'm really scared to tell you guys that I thought, let me just quit Biotic. I don't know, I was feeling like that because I generally go through each and every ingredient. But what happens when it comes to Biotic is that there are some brands who do use bad products, like bad ingredients on their products, and they are okay with sharing their ingredient links because that is what you should be truthful, right, with your ingredient. But Biotic, what it does, it basically hides a lot of ingredients that it puts in their products. So that way, like, I am in the dark side. I do not know what I'm putting on in my face. So I thought it's not right. So I feel like in future I would be quitting it. So I think this is the last bottle of something from Biotic. Although I love their products, I have used quite a lot of products from Biotic, and there are a lot of products I still use, but it's just kind of thought I just wanted to share with you guys, and I hope you guys will take this warmly. And moving on, since I'm talking about ingredients, so let's just talk about a brand or a product that I got and I have been using it religiously and I've been seeing results, and I'm so overwhelmed, so heartfelt, so happy that I thought of buying this product and deciding to give it a try. In spite of there are a lot of controversies that is going on in the market and in the community about this particular product, there are a lot of people who is telling shit about this product. So this is this product right here. This is the star product I feel of the haul. This is Minimalist Niacinamide 10% plus zinc serum. It comes in this kind of packaging. Now I wanted to get a niacinamide serum, so I was looking for a good niacinamide serum wholly by just screening through all the ingredient list of different brands. And let me tell you, there are a lot of brands that I selected, like Sugandha, Via Natural was another one. Then there's Vulva or Vilva. I cannot say it properly. I think I'll just write it down here. There's also Pure by Priyanka, and they're also Minimalist. And the price range, I think they're all 500 to 700. All the products were spoken about very beautifully, but this one right here, there are a lot of people didn't want to even try it out, because this is kind of, as said by other YouTubers, that this is a complete ripoff of that brand Ordinary, which is quite a popular brand. I don't need to say anything about it. My views is that it doesn't matter, because I cannot get hands on Ordinary right now, because I have to pay a lot of customs and maybe I couldn't afford it. And I believe that there are a lot of people who cannot afford customs and may not even take the risk of paying customs, because you never know what will be the amount. And if an Indian brand comes up with something like that, not completely but some copies of it, and it works out, the ingredient list is so good, you can see the results, I am completely okay with it. And yeah, it doesn't matter to me. The product is really good. I thought of making a separate video on it, then I just stopped myself, and then I thought just let me include this in this video. But anyways, I have talked a lot about this product. So in one word, this is a really great product. 600 something rupees, but it's worth it, completely worth it. I had a lot of scars over this region and I wanted to get rid of it, and touch wood, it's not even 2 months, it faded a lot. I could see the difference. My mother was telling me the other day that she could see a lot of difference. I would just say, just don't have any impression based on if it's a copy or not. Just get your hands on it, try it out, and make your own opinion about the quality of the product. So enough of this minimalist. Now the next product is this 5 brushes, actually 10 brushes to be very precise. So I really wanted to have good eye brushes for good detailing of my eyes. And if you guys know, I am really into eye makeups. Oops, you have to fall, right? So yeah, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you would highly know that I really love making good eye looks. And so I had to get these brushes, and they are quite good brushes. And even I have used today these brushes on my waterline, and also to put the glitters on, and also to comb my brows. I really love these brushes. These are very not expensive at all, and this works really beautifully. So you guys can check it out if you are starting off with your makeup. These brushes are good to rely on. So moving on, the next makeup product, or may I call it, this is the eyeshadow palette, and I'm literally waiting for this eyeshadow palette to come home. And no more suspense, this is basically Cuffs and Lashes YOLO palette, and this is really beautiful palette, and at such a low price. Oh my goodness, this is such a great palette. And if you guys don't know, oh my god, this is just covering my face. Okay, so if you guys don't know, Cuffs and Lashes is owned by Nidhi Katiyar. She is a really good talented YouTuber. I do follow her makeup videos, and also I thought of just trying out Cuffs and Lashes, and I've really heard a lot of good things about their products, and also they are a Indian brand. So I thought, let me just try this palette out. So I got this one, and you won't believe what's inside. I love this palette, I love it. If you can see, these are not powder pressed eyeshadows. These are basically body face paint. These are oil based colors. and that's why they are supremely pigmented. For example, if you can see this particular shade, this is so light, but if I take it on my hands, this is so pigmented, as you can see, guys. I would just set it with a translucent powder. I'm just okay with it. It doesn't matter to me. If you guys think that you cannot handle anything other than pressed powder palette, you maybe shouldn't go for this one. But I think I would highly recommend you guys to even try this one out. This is so inexpensive as compared to face and body paints, because they really turn to be really expensive. And let me just swatch some of it for you guys. Let me just take the yellow, pink, white, and then maybe purple. Yeah, as you can see, I'm going to swatch it right here. I've taken very literally because this is really buttery. So if you just tap your finger a little bit, the pan gets the impression of your finger. This is that soft and buttery. So this also has a downside. You just cannot put it right here and go outside. You have to set it like we set foundation. The same way you have to set this one, and it would remain there for as long as hours you want. I can use this for Halloween looks, and that is the main reason I got it. But also I use it for as eyeliners, as beautiful colorful eyeliners. I just set it. You can also apply it here as blush, contour. It also blends beautifully. This is the what color? This is a not a peachy. It's like a skin color type. This is the yellow one. This is the pink one. This is the white one. I actually am doing a ridiculous swatches today. I don't know why. Anyways, let me just do it few more because I'm not impressed with how I did these swatches. This is the green one. I often use the black one for my eyeliners, and I'm not going to buy any other eyeliner from now because this black one is really opaque and it does the job. By the way, check this color out. This is a gorge color. So great color. This is a golden. This is a ash color, and I haven't used it quite now, but I'm going to use it because it looks really good. Anyways, from now there's a lot of miscellaneous products that I thought let me just show you guys because I got them in the haul from Amazon. Starting off with a earphone. This is Victron's metal base earphone, and this is a really cheap earphone. I got it like 150-200. I do not remember the exact price because I got it 1 to 2 months. This is this earphone, and I have quite used it. As you can see, I feel the sound is really good as compared with the price you have to pay, and I'm not an expert in reviewing all these things, but I would say I really enjoyed the music, the sound quality. I felt it was great.
Hi guys, this is me from the edit. By the way, ignore my face. So quick update about the headphone is that it's around more than 2 months or 3 months, I don't remember. So the headphone stopped working, and I don't know why it just stopped. One of the ear was not working and the other ear was just fine, and maybe it was the fault of the headphone, but also it could be because of my handling capability, because I tend to damage all my headphones. So it could be either my fault or the headphones fault. So anyways, please guys don't buy it. Although the sound used to be great from it, but it didn't last, so I wouldn't be recommending. So yeah, that's it, and let's get back to the video.
By the way, I'm going to be really fast from now onwards because I don't want to bore you guys with all those stuff. So the next one is this one. This is Panasonic alkaline batteries. Now I got 6 batteries over here, but as you can see, I have already used the 2 of them and put it here. And now if you guys can recognize this particular tool that I use, you guys, I love you guys because you watch every videos of mine. And yeah, so I have used this one, and these are chargeable batteries, but I'm using this for quite a time now and I didn't have to charge these batteries, so these batteries are going super great. So yeah, this is a ridiculous product to share, but I did it anyways. Moving on. Now before showing you guys the next thing, let me just tell you guys, we are quite familiar with the white and the neutrals on our rooms, and we are constantly seeing pictures with white walls. White furnitures have been quite popular nowadays, but another thing which has been quite popular is wooden clothing rack. I got this particular clothing hangers. They are plastic though, but it gives kind of wooden feels, and yeah, I'm happy about it because it's also quite cheap. Great thing about this hanger is that the packet had 20 hangers, I guess, and I was so happy about the number. And so yeah, that's about it. Got this one. And if you guys want a cheaper option, you can get this one and you will get the same look. Nobody is going to go and see it's wood or not. If you guys think that why I'm not showing you guys the rest of the hangers and I'm showing you guys only one, this is because I have clothes hanging on them, and I just picked one hanger, removed the clothes, and making this video. So anyway, the next hanger that I got, and I'm not proud of the color choice that I made, but I had to get it anyway because it's a kind of organizational thing that I did. So anyways, this is the hanger, and oh my god, my face looks ridiculous right now. So yeah, so this is the hanger. You can put a lot of things because there are a lot of levels over here, and I'm really unhappy about the neon color because it doesn't go with my room vibe. But anyway, this comes really handy. I sometimes put all my stoles over here. I also often use it to put all my hankies or even my socks. I got two of them. One is yellow, another one is blue. Now the next one is basically a real OG organizer. Oh my god, I had to get this one because I'm such a mess. I make my room so messy, and without organizers and stuffs, I would go mad basically. This is the product, and if you guys wondering what it is, it's basically, this is really long, as you can see. So basically what it does is it has a lot of pockets in here, and you can put a lot of things. It has a lot of pockets at the front, as well as it has a lot of pockets at the back. So you can put all your makeup stuff in there and hang it. Also, you can put your clothes like your hankies, your socks, all those tiny small pieces that you tend to lose, like all the pair of socks. You can organize that. Even you can put jewelries in there, and I'm planning to put my jewelries and also my socks because I lose them, and it is really cheap for the amount of organization it brings to your life. I am really proud of myself for choosing this product and recognizing that I need help with organization. Now the last product. So this is also our organization product, and a quite heavy one, by the way. This is this one. This is the rack. As you can see, this part right over here, it just helps you to add another shelf to your already existing shelf. Meaning is that when you put these two things on your shelf, and it will just make another rack like this one. And this is basically a metal rack, and this can withstand a lot of weight. So you can put a wide range of products over here. You can put your planters, you can put a lot of things, and even you can use this particular region to hang a lot of things. I'll post you guys a picture here because I feel I have not done justice explaining this particular product. That's all about my Amazon haul. Hope you guys like this product. I haven't shared with you guys all this kind of product, so I hope you guys like this video. If you did, please like, share, comment, subscribe, bell button, and you guys know the drill. So I'll meet you guys in my next video. Until then, be happy and bye.